Sir, I want to know why do I feel myself disinterested in my life?
Actually, life is an auto flow. It is going on and going on, but the emotions which are happening into us are individual. The results which we are facing in our life are totally individual. They have to do nothing with the life we are seeing outside or the world outside. But the things outside are just reflecting the emotions into us. The outer surroundings or the atmosphere is just a medium to reflect those feelings into us present already. And throughout your life you go on eating, drinking, and doing so many other jobs, yet you never feel disinterested. We eat food daily. Don't we feel hungry again? We feel. Even if we are eating food for so many years, yet we never feel disinterested. We go on eating and eating until we die one day. So, saying this that I feel disinterested is just a matter of mental conclusion that you have come upon. Don't think that you have reached to any Buddhistic approach or you have become a Buddha. When it really happens, the question that you are raising will no longer be required and you will enjoy your disinterestedness, because that disinterestedness is not a problem, but that is an outcome, that is a result. For this disinterestedness, the saints practice penance for many years, and when they reach this conclusion or this solution or this final acme, then they enjoy, they rejoice this situation. But you are raising this question, why do I feel myself disinterested? That means maybe you do not want to be disinterested, but you want to be interested. That's why the question is being raised. Why I feel myself disinterested? Why not? It's okay. If you are really feeling disinterested, then enjoy. It's good. Because one day you, not only you, everybody on this planet Earth is going to feel himself disinterested. Because what is the thing available here on earth that can make us interested forever? There is nothing. Money, health, wealth, buildings, or the most expensive cars, or whatever you can imagine, just imagine in your mind. But one day everything is going to disinterest us. This is bound to happen. This is bound to happen. Here is nothing in this world which can make us interested forever. One day we are going to be disinterested. It is bound to happen. It will happen. But the difference is that somebody becomes disinterested earlier, the other one becomes disinterested after a longer period, the other quite the more longer period. But one day it happens with everybody. And as far as you raise this question, I suggest you to enjoy this condition. But I am not suggesting you to stop doing the works because you are not interested. Remember, for doing anything, there is no need for us to be interested into that. Only then that work can be done. No, there is nothing like that. For example, you have to go to the market for purchasing something, but you don't want to go. But you know, for getting your daily life related things or paraphernalia, you have to go to the market. You know it very well, but you are not interested, yet you have to go. So you can do this task mechanically. It doesn't mean that if you go, you will be something like a prisoner or imprisoned in this task. There is nothing like that. So every task can be done just like a Leela. What do you think Lord Krishna was really interested in doing this all bullshit which is happening in the world here? No. As I guess, as I think, there is nothing like that. He had no interest in it. But he was performing all this, taking it as a Leela. So, he himself was disinterested. He had no interest, but he was doing because it should be done. You know, you have this materialistic body, it needs some nutrition, and for this we need to do some important tasks like exercise or giving food to it or other daily routine jobs. We should do that. If those are not done, then definitely this body will perish. It will be diminished slowly. But it is not good. This is a gift of this universe or the God himself. So we should maintain it perfectly so that we can feel the utmost summit of the joy which can be acquired through this body. Better say which is available already into it, because the God himself is present into it. So do all your tasks just like a Leela. Either you are interested or disinterested in the very task makes no difference. And if you think that something is happening by being interested or disinterested, then just imagine, if you are hungry, then will you not take food? Either you are interested or disinterested, you will eat food. You are bound to eat food. If you are thirsty, what do you think? You will not take water because you are not interested. You are disinterested. So want to take water, you will take water. Water or the thirst into us will compel us to take water. We shall have to take water. We are bound to take water. Either we are interested or disinterested makes no difference. In the same manner, different hormonal procedures taking place into our body will compel us do different things in our life, and we are bound to do that. We shall have to do that. Either we are interested or disinterested makes no difference. So that's why Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita also that this body will compel you to do certain tasks, even if you like that or not, makes no difference. So if we really have to do something, then why not do that thinking it just like a lila? Why are we being so idiotic that I am disinterested, I don't want to do that, no, I am a saint, this and that. So all that is just a bullshit. It is better to perform the tasks perfectly, being just thinking it like a drama. It's a drama, no problem. And never be confused that the pleasure or the happiness cannot be achieved if we do such drama like that. No. In fact, the actual pleasure or the happiness can be found only when we do these worldly things, thinking them to be a lila. Then we can really rejoice. All this acting or these actions in this world that are taking place, that is how Lord Krishna was also enjoying. Even Mahabharata, people were being killed, murdered, massacred in Mahabharata, yet Lord Krishna enjoying the things there. How? Because he knew that it is just a lila, no problem. Let me enjoy. He was enjoying there. He was not interested into all that. He was already disinterested, yet he was doing. So this is how the things are taking place. So if something, any feeling like you are having, so let it bypass, just let it go, and remember that you have to do those important bodily daily routine tasks. You have to do all that. Just do that, thinking it a lila, a drama, and things will go on automatically. Things are happening automatically. We are just uselessly engaging ourselves into the tasks that I am doing. No, nothing is like that I am doing. That is a big mistake. That is a great illusion that I am doing. No, nothing like that. Things are happening. They have to happen their way, and they must happen. Then it is okay. You know, the river is flowing. Just float on the surface of the river lovingly, and the river will flow you by itself without your effort, and one day you will reach the ocean. But you are trying uselessly to swim to the contrary side of the river, and that's how the things are being messed. So just flow with the natural flow, and things are going okay. So yes,